draw this in Procreate by just brushes that already in Procreate. Choose canvas size, 2500 pixels by 2500 pixels. You can use same color palette as mine. First, change background color. I will use mono line brush. And I will pick purple color. Now draw a circle, and grab the color to fill the shape. Now adjust the shape and try to fit in center. Next I will make a second circle. Go to layer menu and duplicate this layer. And turning on alpha lock to give different color. And I switch to this color, and drag it on our circle. Next I will make this second circle a little bit smaller than first purple circle. Don't forget to hit a subscribe button, it is the easiest way to support our channel to make more videos. Next I will draw some mountains. For this, create a new layer and use clipping mask. Let's pick this dark pink color. First draw a straight line. And let's make a mountain shape. And fill it with color. Now let's create more mountains behind this. So create a new layer and drag this underneath layer 3. And create a new mountain shape and fill it with color by dragging. Again create a third mountain using same steps. Next I will draw a sun. For this, let's create a new layer under the mountain layer. Pick yellow color, draw a circle, adjust the shape and drag in color to fill the shape. Now I will erase the bottom part of the sun. Now I want a glow around the sun, for this duplicate the layer. And select the bottom sun layer. Next go to the magic one, select Gaussian blur. But we don't want that glow to show up underneath these mountains, so you can again erase this part by selecting eraser. Next I will draw some clouds above the mountains. Draw some cloudy shapes and fill it with color. Next use soft brush. Let's add some texture at the top area of our sky from the darker to lighter one and do the same for the bottom of our landscape. And again use Gaussian blur. Use mono line brush again. And draw some little birds. Now I would like to create a reflection. For that, I will merge these layers and duplicate this merged layer. Next go to the move tool and then select flip vertical. And move down by dragging it. Next, lower the opacity of the layer. Next, select motion blur to create a slight blur on the water. Next, go to the bottom circle layer and duplicate this. And drag a dark color on circle and you can see on this circle layer. Now select Gaussian blur. And go to move tool and drag this layer little down. And that's it, we have created a beautiful sunrise landscape. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. You can check out my other Procreate videos as well or just get started by these two videos over here. See you next time, till then keep learning.